Okay, y'all. I normally, honestly, go with the cheaper. Hold on a second. There we go. Slightly more light. I normally go with the cheaper bag of potatoes, but this is what Food Lion had. They're called Castaways. It's all the ones that don't look perfect and all that crap. Anyway, experiment. And I'm going to show y'all the experiment from literally those to where I'm going with it. I'm going to take these, and yes, this is a first gardening video I've done in quite a few years, simply because of availability of space. And with the place, the last place I was renting before this, I was not allowed to have a garden via the homeowner and certain rules in the HOA. And this is just straight up an experiment. I'm going to take these two, dig 2 holes in my backyard, and go for it. Yep, just put them in the ground, see what they do. And they're spuds, so they really should take off. I mean, with the shaded backyard, thank you, Anthony at Palmetto, for the info on that. Your root vegetables should do good in a shaded backyard. Eventually, yes, I let them sit there and dry. Eventually, I'm going to attempt those. Pause, and I'm going to show y'all when we come back. I'm going to show you digging the hole and just putting them in. Yeah, exciting video, huh? Okay, initially I dug here. I'm going to have to get that temp back down. Between that tree, that tree, that tree, and that tree. No, that's not a tree. Right in here is a ridiculous amount of roots. So what I did was take some of my, you can kind of see that darker space there. That's my lawn clippings. Got them piled up there, branches, sticks, that's for later on. Anyway, took some of my lawn clippings, dug a hole out, break soil up, and yes, I will be adding water to this. I dug the hole, loosened the soil underneath, took some of the lawn clippings, lined it. I'm gonna top that off. Now again, this is all just experiment, is all this is. Don't get me wrong. Yeah, if it starts to produce, then hell yeah. But all right, that's it. That's pretty much what I'm gonna do. And let's see, all of that. Now, let's see, okay. Just so I have a marker point, give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay, got that one. Got the second one here. Go on, bug. I am gonna put more grass over both of them. Give it that, help with moisture retention. And that's just that much more nutrients. Yeah, we're gonna see how they do back here. They really should do all right. I mean, one, it's shady. Now, the last time I did potatoes, I did it in a raised bed, and or a garden box, whichever you'd call it. But that, I did it 3 years in a row. First year, I got nothing. Second year, I got like 7 or 8 of them that fit in the palm of my hand, all of them at one time. And then the third year, I got an insane amount. I mean, so much so that the neighbors were like, hey, dude, we don't want any more potatoes. Kind of amount of potatoes. But yeah, just a quick experiment. Gardening.